it's another day and we are here with the wreck of the E36.
Yeah.
And we just connected the battery, which was all over the place. We made it stand on this right way again, and we just connected the negative or minus ground pole. Whatever.
And we get a flat tire. This is gonna be exciting.
Yes, flat tire. And so now hopefully the car will fire. You see the engine has got it. We cannot open the bonnet, but hopefully we can turn the wheels while the power steering is on. So let's see if we can start it.
First attempt.
Let's get inside. Aha.
Hey.
Okay, let's see if it's life in the mighty E36.
Yep.
Engine in good condition. Send me a DM if you want engine parts. Engine is in perfect condition.
Needs restoration.
I will be selling it very soon.
But now is going to be exciting because will it move? How's the drivetrain and everything? Let's see. That wheel is okay now.
Let's see the other one.
It's straight. Kanskje skulle hatt
Okay, status report. The car moves, which is great, and both LED kit lamps works. Yeah. The only thing that does not work is I can't see so much from the front. To be honest, it's not so much good memories in this car now. I had it for less than 30 days. I'm not proud of what I did. Seriously, I'm not proud of what I did. It's the first car I wrecked 100% on my own, and it's a money loss. I don't know what to tell you, but the fact that it works, I'm amazed. The engine starts, it goes. So let's try to get it up on this trailer, and yeah, this wheel we need to replace. So you see the car got quite a beating, but okay, let's try to get it on the trailer. Let's try. Attempt 1. It had a lot of rusts. The channels here are being some poorly executed work done. But yeah, the car is here. We are able to get it home now. So yeah, not so much good memories from this. But lesson learned. Not a good experience sitting in here while the roof cracked on me. Oh yeah. End of the road. Bye bye, Beamer.
Vladimir.
It's home. Now we will try driving it over there and cover it up, and then let it be there for a while. And I will try to sell parts, and yeah, I will take off the steering wheel, obviously, speedo, yeah, I will take off what I can and try to sell it, and then scrap it. This is nothing to have. I mean, it's not fixable at all. You can't fix it. But yeah.
It's crap anyway.
Sounds like a diesel on steroids.
Local fog there, eh?
Yes. Ow! Oh, fuck!
Last but
Let's
not least,
cover it up so the neighbors won't ask any questions. It's not so good.
no further questions there, officer.
Yep. The car is home, and it's covered up. Not here, but for the main street, so we don't get no critical questions. So yeah, there it is. Start the demounting parts pretty soon.